Hi everyone, it's Emily Ellyn here, and I'm welcoming you to join us for the perfect pairing at Jewel-Osco's Kinzie on the Rocks.
Hello and welcome. I'm Doug Ford with Moët Hennessy. We're excited to be partnering here with Jewel-Osco and a sensational event featuring the world's best champagnes from Moët Hennessy. Chef Emily's a great partner. We love to do these type of events nationally. Jewel-Osco is a perfect partner for us to get back to the community and interface with wine and food pairings.
I'm here at Kinzie on the Rocks today to cook up some fun and, of course, to have a perfect pairing class. And what is more perfect than cheese and champagne? So, I've cooked up this menu. We're going to do a big Italian fresh salad from the produce section, and then we're going to make cheese gnocchi. That's right, ricotta gnocchi made with Frigo cheese. It's going to be finished with Parmesan, and of course, we're going to finish with the delicious tiramisu. Welcome everyone. I think it is very appropriate that we start this night with a toast. So cheers to all of us! Mama did it. That's right. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh, more! You know what this means? We need more champagne, and we need to sit down, and we need to eat this gorgeous salad that we just made. Did that warrant buying the box of pasta? No, you're done, you have it done. Now for the fun part that I need all of your help for. So we're gonna roll out our gnocchi, and you're gonna see how fun it is that you can do it at home. You can do it with your loved ones. Woo, woo, look at that. I hope you see the smile. Here, I'll trade you. Thank you.
The ability of Emily to show us how to make the gnocchi by ourselves was beyond expectation, and we loved it.
Champagne is one of our favorite drinks. Cheese is one of our favorite things to eat. So everything about this event today, sponsored by Jewel, was perfect. The Frigo cheese plates, the Frigo cheese that was interspersed within the meal with the gnocchi, and all of the different varieties of champagne, amazing. And we can't wait to do it again for another Friday.
Thank you, Frigo. Thank you, Jewel-Osco. Thank you, Moët Hennessy, and a special thank you to Chef Emily Ellyn. She was amazing, and the night wouldn't have been as awesome without her. Thank you so much. Cheers.